TowAwayCouple here. I am Bunny, the sign holder today, and Tom's the cameraman. We're outside, so it's going to be a little bit loud, so if you hear any noise or extra voices, please forgive us. Anyways, we get these nifty little signs.
What colors?
You can get these in any colors you'd like. You can get them in any company that you like. Whether it be transporter or your own individual company, they can custom make these for you.
Do they make noise?
They do not make noise. They do not scratch your window. They do not leak, and best of it, they don't break your window.
Awesome.
So what they do is they've got a little clip here, or a little cutout, so it's going to fit into any truck window. Turn it around here, it's got a little groove, so it just goes right into the window and fits in snug. So here. It's going to roll down the window about yay far. Push that right in there. Get it, make sure you get it into the grooves of your window. Push it down nice and tight.
We're gonna put it into the door jamb as far as it can go in, because that's what's gonna keep it from making noise. And you're gonna
roll it up nice and tight. Voila, you are DOT legal. The great thing about these versus running magnets is they're not going to scratch your truck, and they're not going to fly off in the snow when they get cold. So once again, you can get them in any colors, any company. Just call them Signs of the Time in Elkhart and custom order yours today, and we'll see you down the road.